When you see fire, you expect an immediate response. Meet the Advanced AX-APS2-F1, designed to deliver just that, but more efficiently. This manual pull station is a rugged, reliable, and it's crafted in sturdy metal with a visible LED and timeless design. It's addressable and integrates seamlessly with advanced AX systems, resisting false alarms from accidental bumps. A few key features include addressable AX series, impact resistant to reduce false alarms, red LED plus built-in Form C relay, key reset using a standard key, and UL listed and ADA compliant. Easy to mount, surface or semi-flush. Just pull the pull lever and activate. LED lights up, relay triggers, and delivery is instant and alert. Ideal for offices, schools, hospitals, factories, and hotels. Anywhere rapid response matters with minimal malfunction risks. With this pull station, you put the alarm in people's hands and significantly cut down the false alarms thanks to the smart design. Find the AX-APS2-F1 on our website. Visit firealarm.com to equip your space with the safety it deserves. Firealarm.com, the trusted source for fire and life safety.